Thank you for being here today as we gather to discuss a topic that is both sensitive and prevalent in our society: the feelings of loneliness and alienation experienced by individuals trapped in the grips of porn addiction. It is important that we shine a light on this issue and explore how abstinence can be a crucial step towards healing and reclaiming a fulfilling life. In our modern world, where technology has become intertwined with our daily lives, pornography has become increasingly accessible. While it may seem harmless on the surface, the consequences of excessive porn consumption can be far-reaching, particularly when it comes to our emotional well-being. One of the most distressing aspects of porn addiction is the overwhelming sense of loneliness and alienation that individuals often experience. As they become more engrossed in a virtual world of explicit images and videos, their connections to the real world start to crumble. Genuine human interaction is replaced by superficial encounters, leading to a deep-seated feeling of isolation. The irony lies in the fact that porn addiction, which initially may have been sought as an escape from loneliness, actually perpetuates and intensifies these feelings. When individuals repeatedly turn to pornography as a substitute for genuine emotional connection, they inadvertently reinforce their own sense of alienation. This vicious cycle can trap them in a never-ending loop of despair. So, what can be done to break free from this cycle and alleviate the feelings of loneliness and alienation? This is where the power of abstinence comes into play. Abstinence from pornography is not about suppressing natural desires or moral judgments. Instead, it is a conscious choice to prioritize personal growth, emotional well-being, and genuine human connection over temporary and ultimately unsatisfying gratification. By abstaining from pornography, individuals create space for themselves to rediscover their own identity. Outside the distorted lens of explicit media, they can redirect their energy and attention towards healthier pursuits, such as cultivating meaningful relationships, pursuing hobbies, and investing in self-care. Through this process, they can gradually rebuild their social skills and learn to connect with others on a deeper, more authentic level. Abstinence also allows individuals to confront the underlying issues that may have led them to seek solace in pornography in the first place. It provides an opportunity for self-reflection and introspection, allowing them to address unresolved emotional pain, trauma, or feelings of inadequacy. By addressing these root causes, individuals can gradually heal and develop healthier coping mechanisms. In our discussion on the feelings of loneliness and alienation in porn addiction, it is important to acknowledge the role of neurochemistry and how it contributes to this vicious cycle. When individuals engage in pornography consumption, the brain releases a surge of dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This immediate gratification can provide temporary relief from negative emotions, reinforcing the desire to seek out more pornography as a means of escape. However, over time, the brain adapts to this artificial stimulation and requires greater and more explicit content to achieve the same level of satisfaction. This phenomenon, known as desensitization, can lead to a diminished ability to experience pleasure in real-life situations, including intimate relationships. Consequently, individuals may find it increasingly challenging to form genuine emotional connections and experience true intimacy, further deepening their sense of loneliness and alienation. Additionally, the accessibility and anonymity of pornography consumption in the digital age contribute to the isolation experienced by those struggling with addiction. People can engage in pornographic material without ever leaving the confines of their own homes, further disconnecting them from real-world social interactions. The shame and stigma associated with pornography addiction often lead individuals to suffer in silence, exacerbating their feelings of isolation and preventing them from seeking help. Abstinence, on the other hand, offers a pathway to healing by rewiring the brain's reward system. When individuals abstain from pornography, they allow their brain to reset and recalibrate to more natural levels of dopamine release. This process, known as neuroplasticity, enables the brain to regain sensitivity to everyday pleasures, fostering a renewed appreciation for genuine human connections and emotional experiences. Furthermore, abstinence provides an opportunity for individuals to develop healthier coping mechanisms and alternative ways of managing stress, loneliness, and negative emotions. Through therapy, support groups, or other professional guidance, individuals can learn and implement strategies that empower them to confront and overcome challenges without resorting to harmful behaviors. It is worth noting that abstinence does not guarantee an immediate resolution to feelings of loneliness and alienation. Recovery from porn addiction is a journey that requires time, effort, and a supportive network. It may involve setbacks and moments of vulnerability. However, by choosing abstinence, individuals demonstrate their commitment to personal growth and a more fulfilling life beyond the confines of addiction. Excessive porn consumption can have detrimental effects on various aspects of life, including mental health, self-esteem, and overall well-being. Individuals trapped in the cycle of porn addiction often experience a decline in their mental health. Feelings of guilt, shame, and self-disgust can intensify the sense of loneliness and alienation they already feel. The constant pursuit of increasingly explicit material can lead to a distorted view of oneself and others, contributing to anxiety, depression, and a diminished sense of self-worth. Furthermore, porn addiction can hinder personal and professional growth. The excessive time and energy devoted to consuming pornography can detract from other important areas of life, such as education, career development, and personal goals. As a result, individuals may find themselves feeling stagnant, unfulfilled, and disconnected from their own potential. Abstinence from porn addiction opens up a world of possibilities for personal development and self-actualization. By breaking free from the grip of addiction, individuals can reclaim their time, focus, and energy, redirecting it towards activities that promote personal growth and fulfillment. Engaging in hobbies, pursuing education, developing new skills, and cultivating healthy habits can foster a sense of purpose and accomplishment, ultimately enhancing self-esteem and creating a more fulfilling life. Moreover, by abstaining from pornography, individuals can experience a reawakening of their senses and a rediscovery of genuine intimacy. As they distance themselves from the artificial and scripted nature of pornographic content, they can relearn the art of true human connection, developing healthy relationships based on mutual trust, respect, and emotional intimacy becomes possible once again, alleviating the feelings of loneliness and alienation that once plagued their lives. In the journey towards abstinence, it is important to seek support from a network of understanding individuals. Support groups, therapy, or online communities provide a space to share experiences, gain insights, and receive encouragement from those who have faced similar challenges. Connecting with others who have successfully navigated their way out of porn addiction can offer hope, inspiration, and a sense of belonging. In conclusion, the feelings of loneliness and alienation in porn addiction have far-reaching consequences for mental health, self-esteem, and personal growth. Abstinence from pornography offers individuals the opportunity to restore their mental well-being, pursue personal development, and rediscover genuine intimacy. By seeking support, investing in personal growth, and embracing a healthier approach to sexuality, individuals can break free from the isolating grip of addiction and forge a path towards a more meaningful, connected, and fulfilling life.